Once upon a time, in a cozy little village nestled between rolling hills and green meadows, lived 3 mischievous mice named Munchy, Crunchy, and Squeaky. These mice were unlike any other mice in the village because they had a big appetite for food and a love for adventure. One bright morning, the sun peeked over the horizon, and its warm rays illuminated the village. Munchy, Crunchy, and Squeaky woke up with rumbling tummies, ready for their daily escapade. They knew that the village bakery was where the most delicious treats could be found. "Today's the day," exclaimed Munchy with a twinkle in his eye. "We're going to have a feast at the bakery." With their hearts set on a grand feast, the 3 mice set off on their adventure. As they scurried along the cobbled streets and through narrow alleyways, their excitement grew with every step. The aroma of freshly baked bread and pastries filled the air, guiding them straight to the bakery's doorstep. Inside the bakery, Mrs. Whisketail, the friendly old baker, was busy kneading dough and decorating cakes. The 3 mice marveled at the sight of shelves laden with scrumptious goodies. "Oh my, look at all this delicious food," exclaimed Crunchy, his eyes wide with wonder. Squeaky, unable to contain his excitement, squeaked, "I see cheese tarts." Munchy, the bravest of the trio, piped up, "Let's not just look, let's have a feast." And so, the 3 greedy mice hatched a plan. Munchy climbed onto a stack of flour bags, Crunchy balanced on a sugar jar, and Squeaky squeezed onto a shelf of spices. They worked together, pushing, pulling, and heaving until they managed to nudge a basket of freshly baked cookies off the counter. Cookies, pastries, and cakes tumbled onto the floor in a glorious mess. The mice dove in with excitement, munching, crunching, and squeaking in delight. They gobbled up chocolate eclairs, sticky cinnamon rolls, and even managed to carry off a wedge of cheese from the cheese tart. But as they feasted, a soft voice spoke from the doorway, My, what have we here?" Startled, the mice froze. There stood Mrs. Whisketail, her eyes twinkling like the stars. "We couldn't resist the delicious treats," admitted Munchy, crumbs falling from his whiskers. Mrs. Whisketail chuckled. "It seems you 3 have quite the appetite. How about we strike a deal?" Intrigued, the mice listened. "I could use some extra paws around the bakery," Mrs. Whisketail said. "You can help me with small tasks, and in return, I'll make sure you get a tasty treat every day." Munchy, Crunchy, and Squeaky exchanged glances. It was an offer they couldn't refuse. And so, they became the official helpers of the bakery. From that day on, they learned to knead dough, frost cakes, and sprinkle toppings. And at the end of each day, they were rewarded with their favorite treats. As time passed, the village mice admired the delicious treats and heard tales of the 3 mice who had turned from being merely greedy to being helpful and clever. Munchy, Crunchy, and Squeaky became legends, teaching everyone that sharing and helping could lead to a feast of both food and friendship. And so, in the heart of the cozy village, the tale of the 3 greedy mice became a cherished story, a reminder that even the greediest of hearts could find a path to kindness and happiness. And they all lived, feasted, and shared, happily ever after. Moral of story is, greed turned to sharing as 3 mice, once greedy for treats, found joy in helping. Kindness transformed lives, showing that sharing leads to happiness and true friendship.